my leg. Let go of my leg. Ow! You're just mean today. You're not going to let me go by, are you? Ow. 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 Okay, that did hurt. Okay. Yeah, you can just stay by yourself. Cat attack. Ow. Ow. Look at my pants. I know. You had enough? You have enough? Huh? Look. You know what those are, don't you? Look. Is that your bag of treats? Is that your bag of treats? Huh? Is that your bag of treats? Is that your bag of treats? Huh? Is that your bag? I think the dog wants some too. Here, you want your treats? Want your treats? There you go. No, Jack, don't be chewing them. They're the cats. Whenever he decides he wants to eat them. So he's protecting him, put his paw on top of him. As one falls down at a time. No, Jack, no. Don't take any nubbins. Neither one of you, okay? It's a cat's food. It'll make you fat.